Hi, I'm Leonni and this is my video assignment. So for this problem, my friend and I are making necklaces and bracelets. I have abbreviated necklaces with N and bracelets with B. To make these products, we would use string, beads, clasps, and plastic bags. For this problem, I am person 1 and my friend is person 2. Let's assume that I make necklaces at a rate of 2 per hour and bracelets at a rate of 5 per hour. My friend makes 3 necklaces per hour and 4 bracelets per hour. If we both worked a 10-hour day and I used all 10 hours to make necklaces, I would produce 20 necklaces. If I used all 10 hours to make only bracelets, I would produce 50 bracelets. If I split my time in half and dedicated 5 hours to making each, I would have 10 necklaces and 25 bracelets. These are designated by A1, B1, and C1. If my friend did the same thing, she would have 30 necklaces after 10 hours of making only necklaces, 40 bracelets and making only bracelets, and 15 necklaces and 20 bracelets if she split her time. And those are designated by A2, B2, and C2. Now let's move over to look at the PPF graph. Here I plotted the points we just talked about. Necklaces is on the y-axis and bracelets on the x-axis. Anywhere under lines is inefficient production, and anything above the lines is efficient production. But would it be better for one person to make only the product they are faster in making? To determine this, I calculated the opportunity cost. The maximum necklaces in a day I can make is 20, and the maximum bracelets I can make is 30. The maximum my friend can make is 50 and 40. So this means that the opportunity cost I have making necklaces is 1.5 bracelets, and the opportunity cost I have of making bracelets is 0.66 necklaces. My friend, on the other hand, has an opportunity cost of making 0.80 bracelets for every necklace and 1.20 necklaces for every bracelet. This means that compared to my friend, I give up less to make bracelets, and she gives up less to make necklaces. I have a comparative advantage in making bracelets, and she has a comparative advantage in making necklaces. If together we both only make what we are better at making and specialize, together we can make 80 units. This is more than what we could make alone if we both try to split up the time to make both. If we were to split up our time together, we would only make 70 units. One more thing to consider is the cost. If it cost me $10 to make the necklaces and $5 to make the bracelets, and it costs her $7 to make the necklaces and $6 to make the bracelets, I have an absolute advantage in making bracelets, and she has an absolute advantage in making necklaces.